Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Shell Energy EV account for public charging, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Shell Energy EV account for public charging, start by downloading the Shell Recharge app from your device's app store. Once the download is complete, open the app on your device. Tap on the Sign In button to begin the authentication process. Enter your registered email address and password associated with your Shell Energy EV account. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Check your email for a password reset link if needed, and follow the instructions to create a new password. After successfully logging in, ensure your profile is up to date with relevant information, including your payment details. Next, navigate to the charging section within the app. Select Locate Charger to view nearby public charging stations. Choose a charging station that suits your needs and tap on it to access more details. To authenticate your charging session, tap the Start Charging button. You may see a prompt asking you to confirm your account information. Review and confirm the details displayed on the screen. Once authenticated, you can proceed to plug in your electric vehicle at the selected charging station. Follow the station's instructions to initiate the charging process. Monitor the charging progress on the app to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's help section for troubleshooting tips. After your vehicle is fully charged, safely disconnect the charger from your vehicle. Take a moment to rate your charging experience in the app if prompted. This feedback helps improve the service for all users. Now you are successfully authenticated for public charging with your Shell Energy EV account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.